Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Clean With Me video. So today's video we are going to be sanitizing the kids' rooms, their bathroom. I will be wiping down the couch and doorknobs. Just because of everything that's going on, I want to make sure that I'm cleaning as much as I can. I mean, we have not been out anywhere. We have been at home. My husband has gone to work. Of course, I have gone to work, but every time that I come home, I go straight into the shower. I literally take off my scrubs as soon as I'm walking in the door and I get in the shower, just because I'm wearing gowns and masks and gloves and eyewear, and it's just, we have had a lot of sick people. So I make sure that I try, and as soon as I get home, make sure I get in the shower and get all that off of me. But in today's video, like I said, I'm just sanitizing, lysoling, making sure things are clean for the kids, and that no one gets sick, making sure the toilets are clean, everything that we touch is clean. So yeah, so just it's gonna be a very quick video. It's not that long. This was a very quick day for me. Actually, I think this took me a total of like an hour and a half to do, because like I said, it's just the kids' room, the bedroom, their bedrooms, the bathroom, the hallway, and then the living area. So what I decided to do was take some Clorox wipes, and I decided to wipe down their doorknobs, their dresser, their chest, their beds, anything that they touch or you put your hands on. That's what I decided to clean. And then of course after that I go back and I Lysol and I spray like on their bed, on their pillows, or like spray it back onto the dresser. So I'm just Lysoling all around, you guys. Alright guys, so I just had to share with y'all. So these are the baskets. This came out of my stepkid's room, and then this one right here with the Lysol on top is my son's. And this is just a little bit of, not a behind the scenes, but I'm about to go ahead and go into this bathroom right here, which there's not a lot to do, but it's weird. The kids have been here all week and the bathroom's not gross, but when they're at school, somehow the bathroom gets gross. I don't know. But there's not a lot to do here, but this right here is very concerning. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to put this in the wash first and then come back and clean up this bathroom. And as I was saying, I think I put it on my Instagram stories. So I'm down to 2 bottles of the Clorox wipes, and then I have, I think, 3 bottles of Lysol, but it is very concerning that I can't find any more wipes. I went on Sam's Club last night. I normally order all my stuff from there online, and they were all out. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, because they didn't have my Tide Pods either. So I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the wash and then continue on with the bathroom. Alright guys, I try to go as natural as I can with my cleaning products, but when it comes to the bathrooms, I definitely use that Clorox bleach. I love it. I love spraying it into the bathtub or onto the toilets and just letting it sit there, and then I go ahead and clean it, and this stuff is amazing. I mean, it's strong, but I feel like this is the only thing that's going to get these bathrooms cleaned. And I do use natural products, and I try to use them like in the kitchen, especially in the microwave, and the refrigerator when I'm cleaning those. I try to go as natural as I can, but of course with everything that's going on, I want to make sure that the toilets and the faucet fixtures and their shower is clean. So yeah, Clorox is my go-to.
Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Alright you guys, and here I'm wiping down the couches with Clorox wipes just because I want to make sure everything's nice and clean, but also the kids have been outside jumping on the trampoline, and it's pollen season down here, so they jump on the trampoline and they come and lay on the couch, so I try to make sure that stays nice and clean as well. And here is my Easter decor. I don't think I showed this in my last video, but here is how I decorated this little side table.
Singing, hey now, honey, ain't got no money, ain't got no money. Still I'm singing, oh, I think it looks so good. Don't you think it looks so good? Oh, I think it looks so good. Don't you think it looks so good? Baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, baby, yeah, don't it look so good?
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Everything was cleaned and sanitized. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Gonna have a good time. Gonna have a good time. Yeah, gonna have a good time. Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see